Okay, ready for a twist on the let's set our goals and write about them for the Happy New Year. So as we head back into January and back into the classroom, it would be fun to use our Story Zone generator to get the kids writing about their goals for the new year. So let's do that. Let me show you how. Let's go on to the Creation Zone and we go into Storytime Zone. And okay, we're going to choose a title. We'll come back to that, but let's choose a grade level. Let's say it's my grade 4 students. And I'm going to choose English Language Arts. Okay, now describe a character. Who do they want their character to be about? So it could be themselves or it could be something else. Let's say a boy who sets a goal to run in a marathon. Okay, so I don't know what that's going to give me, but let's see what it comes up with. Oh yeah, we've got to go back and we have to choose a title. Say, the boy who wanted to run in a marathon. That's not a very good title, but you know, we're just gonna choose it for now. There we go. And we'll continue. Let's see what it gives us. Oh, I like it. Okay, so there's a great image to get you going in he's ready for the race. And now if we wanted to add some other details here, maybe there's a challenge in but the boy doesn't have enough money for a coach, a marathon coach. Okay, and let's see what it comes up with in terms of a prompt for us. So once upon a time, there was a boy who had a dream to run in a marathon. He was determined to make his dream come true. But there was one problem. He didn't have enough money to hire a marathon coach. He knew he was going to have to be creative to make his dream a reality. So he devised a plan to reach his goal. And you can see where you can put in their name too. Began his journey to run a marathon by asking for help from his family, friends, and community. He was determined to do whatever it took to raise the money needed for a coach. Will, whatever your character's name, be able to raise the money he needs to make his dream come true. I love the way it just leaves the name blank too, because you know it's about ownership for the kids. That your students, they need to invent their own character, and that's what this is all about. So we're gonna save that. Fantastic. And now you can talk to your students about setting goals. What would this character need to do? What would be the steps he would need to take to make his dream come true and be able to run in that marathon? There you go, the boy who wanted to run in a marathon. It's just that easy. Happy New Year, everyone.